told my girl to pipe down.
Hi everyone, Liz here, and I'm going to be doing an oil change on my motorcycle today. Yes, I do have a motorcycle. This is my baby, and we're also going to be changing the plastics pretty soon, but for today we're just going to do an oil change. Here we have our oil, and it's 300 feet. I got it on Amazon for about $80. I will put the link in my description so that you saw where I got it. So I got the oil filter from Amazon as well, from K&N Performance. The model number for the CBR1 that would fit the CBR1000 is KN204-1, and this was about $12. I'll also put the link on the description in case you have the CBR1000. You can also use it. So the first thing you want to do is warm up your bike to operating temperature. For this motorcycle, it's about 140, so I did that already. So it's really easy to do an oil change on this motorcycle because you only have to take off one side fairing, whereas with my Gixxer, I used to have to take off both sides. So we're going to take off the fairing bolts of the belly and put it right back just so that we don't lose the screws. Okay, so we took off our belly fairing and I put the screws back in just so that I don't lose them. And I also recommend that you put a piece of cardboard underneath your motorcycle just so that your fairings don't get scratched. Now that we have our screws back in and our fairing out of the way, you want to get an oil pan. And I purchased this oil pan from AutoZone for $14. You want to just set it underneath your motorcycle. If your oil is going to come out right here, you want to set the pan a little bit more forward because it's going to shoot out. Yeah, I said that. And for a drain plug, we need a 12mm socket. So I have that here. And then for our oil filter, we need a 17mm socket, which is already on my wrench.
Breath mints, yeah, rock fake jewelry. I need a EpiPen. That bitch fucking with a shrimp, she pescatarian. She wanna come fuck with a boss, she ate every inch. Yeah.
Filthy animal.
Ew. Look at all that.
That was Kai, everyone. Say hi. And we already loosened our oil filter, so I can actually just screw it off. Hold on. Okay, now I can use my hands. Ew! She wet me. You also need gloves and napkins, by the way. Alright, so we're this is why girls don't do oil changes. No, I'm just kidding. I just lost everything.
This cardboard came in handy.
Yeah. It's still leaking. Alright, and then, so now we have our filter and it's drained, and just make sure that the gasket also comes off and doesn't stay on the bike. Make sure to lube your filter. We love lube. And now we're gonna put our filter back on. I'm hiding your hopes and inviting your hoes. I hold the control. All this gold with my drone. I'm hiding my soul. So no eyes on my skull. I'm hiding your hopes and inviting your hoes. I hold the control. All this gold with my drone won't leave me alone. She say I treated her wrong. See, I don't believe it at all. I don't trust her soul. I would just do a quarter turn on the wrench. Time to get back on the road. See this success getting sold. I'm scratching them off, just like the jackpot I'm on. Young touch, I'm back on the wall. Reminiscing, playing basketball at the course of the gas. Now we draft for sport. So let's get our pan out of the way so that we can screw the drain plug back on. Glasses was on. Now Gucci and Louis be on. Polo and Troy be on. I'm on in the jewelry be on. I like a movie be on. I'm on that coke in my trunk, coke in my trunk, coke in my
I've been drinking, I'm driving while texting and speeding. I swear that I ain't going home. I've been hiding my soul.
Just too slippery. Oh my god. So nails and gloves do not mix.
So no eyes on my scope. So I'm hiding your hopes and inviting your hoes. I hold the control. All this Coca Patron, I'm on Coca Patron. Only 10 in the morning, I might fuck around and drink all of this shit. Smoking ozone with codeine inside of my swisher to compliment all of my hits. EBG waking up early in the morning, I pushed off the whip and get on with this shit. Ball with the wall off the wall till I fall off $1 million, 1 millions, we all getting rich.
Alright, and I did forget to get a funnel, so we made one, so we're fine.
So blinded, I just got a baggage, no bagging this shit. Just up the plus like a whole bunch of cars on the road. What that mean? I was traffic and shit. Next year I'm moving my talents to Cali. I swear that I ain't looking back at this shit. I'm in your neighborhood service and nervous. 24 hours, no grocery boy. Black about miss with the cushion and see with the rebels. Tonight I'm on Coca Patron. Your whole my only one easy, but on the blame me blaming Coke and Patron.
And now we're just gonna put our oil cap back on. And it's good. My feet are numb. Just check our dipstick after we turn the bike on. It's good. Let's screw this back on and put our fairing back on. Alright, so we just tightened up our bolts for the fairing and we are all done. Thank you for joining us today while we did our oil change on my CBR1000. I will put all of the products that I use on my description below. And the oil is a little bit expensive, but it is an investment. You know, you want to make sure you use the best stuff for your motorcycle. So I definitely recommend the 300V. Also put the oil filter and my toolkit and all of that stuff on the description. Make sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. I'd really appreciate it. See you soon. Bye.